It is once again time for the Line U with the area's premier attorneys, Greg Fellerman and Brian Corcoran. I'm sorry that I didn't say your name like you like it.
Well,
I'll do it again. Brian Corcoran.
with the C.
Well, yes.
He loves the hype. Hype him up.
I love the hype.
I love
He
it.
loves it.
Here's our question for the day. Tony from Tamaqua says, I am a mailman and was injured delivering packages walking over a crumbled stairway and broke my ankle. What are my options?
Well, there's two options that you have. Number one, you could file for workers' compensation because you're working at the time you were injured. Then the other option is you could sue the property owner for the step. There's going to be a defense that even though the step might have been deteriorated, you should have seen it because it was so bad, you should have avoided it. But if you didn't have any choice, you have to do your job and put the package on the porch or in the mailbox, you could have a case. You might need an expert. You have to coordinate your medical care, so you're going to need a lawyer, because not only do you have to have a case, but you have to have the injuries. So you have to make sure that your doctor knows that you fell off the steps, that you have some problems. You have to be clear as to the extent of your problems. So give us a call. I've been doing these cases for 30, 40 years. I'd be glad to help you, glad to sit down with you.
Yeah, and with a broken ankle, we always say these ankles don't always come back as quickly as you think they do, and a lot of times people have a lot of complications with these broken ankles. So the medical care is important, the documentation is important, and documenting the fall is important. So please, definitely you got to pick up the phone, get us involved sooner than later. If you have a slip and fall, make the call. Give us a call.
And also, too, if you didn't want to make the call, send some fan mail to Brian.
Yes, he loves
Then
it.
I'm sure the mailbox will be filled.
Chris.
Give that hotline a call right there on your screen.